primetime news this evening.
God of God. Yes, God of God.
Former JTA president who went missing last night in St. James found alive. Political directorate may have to reassess how political motorcades are done after teen's death. And do Jamaicans know the councillor for their division? The findings in the latest RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella Stocks and Securities Limited SSL is back in the news again. The fraud-hit financial institution will start phase 2 of the compensation process. That and more in the business day.
Okay, and Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, the CEO of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited is condemning the latest bottle throwing incident at a Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League match, which caused the police to get involved. I'll tell you the details in Primetime Sports Monday.
Merci, Jordan. Remember, we're speaking French to him. Anyway, and Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in sport, in weather.
Thanks, Jelena. Now, this week we are expecting slightly cooler conditions. We do have a frontal boundary that is expected to affect the island come tonight, going into tomorrow, and we also have some rainfall in the forecast as well.
All right, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, are you closer to deciding who you will vote for after the 2 rounds of debate?
You can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.